I be doing my bruh. I like that right there. Trying to get it decorated.
I ain't get the one that had the fake head.
Okay, y'all. So we got this shrimp right here. It got eyes. I don't know. I haven't never tried a shrimp with eyes, but we about to get it tried. So
I take all that off.
I don't even know how you. Yeah, it's okay.
She feel it from the inside, baby.
What you mean?
Right there. Pull it.
Like it?
Yeah, pull it like.
Yeah.
And then the shell.
But I don't want to. Yeah, the shell
I
right
pull it
there.
from the inside. Then you take it. Pull it all out. She don't know how to. She don't know how to eat. Because you got the shell. You got to pull all that out.
Y'all ain't never had this. I'm sorry. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. It's giving like crab leg
That's why I
vibes.
said you from the inside. Ooh, they ain't divided. Oh,
They got the Granny man cause got the shit in there.
She putting on meat.
Okay, you got to open it up and get the vein out.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Put the vein in your mouth, Candy.
I ate it because I didn't know what but that ain't and it ain't JV no more, it's Texas Taste.
I'm from a JB that used to be a Hope that we used to get that fish from.
But they no more.
They down Mountain. They in Mountain.